Hello and welcome back to another episode of World War II History and Reenacting. Today I'm together with my friend Robin and we're gonna prepare a basic goulash for an upcoming event this weekend.
The ingredients we'll be using are canned chopped tomatoes, paprika powder, garlic, lemon, meat broth cubes, potatoes, onions, a bottle of red wine, salt and pepper, along with some fresh herbs, real butter and carrots. And last but not least, some nice quality beef. We start off by washing our hands. We are preparing goulash for 10 people for 2 days, which is a total of 20 portions. Potatoes are peeled. They will later be chopped and added to the goulash about an hour before serving, allowing them to cook through. Next we prepare the meat. A sharp knife makes a big difference. Clean the meat and cut away unwanted parts. Then cube into nice sized pieces. Onions are chopped into rather large pieces. The carrots are peeled and chopped. We will be using this large pot with the heat set to medium-high. Add some oil or cooking grease. Dump in the onions and fry them until golden yellow. Dump out the onions and brown the meat in the same pot. We did the meat in 2 portions. With all the meat back in the pot, we added 2 liters of water and 2 cubes of meat broth with the heat turned down. Then we dumped in the carrots, added lemon peel from a whole lemon and also squeezed in the lemon juice. A couple tablespoons of paprika powder, added a couple cloves of garlic, some finely chopped fresh thyme, and rosemary. Next we added a whole bottle of red wine. We used 5 cans of chopped tomatoes. Then we added the onions. We added some more seasoning to taste and also dumped about 100 to 200 grams of real butter into the mix. Then it's just a matter of letting the goulash simmer on low heat for a couple of hours.